Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the new Sydney Grace and Temptalia palette collab. I picked up the On the Horizon light palette and it finally came in. It's nothing to do with Sydney Grace. Everything living here in Louisiana takes forever. Like, there's no such thing as like overnight shipping or 2-day shipping here because everything just takes forever. So I'm so excited that it finally came in. So I created this look. I know it's not the prettiest, most clean look, but I absolutely love playing with eyeshadow, especially whenever it comes to Sydney Grace. So yeah, if you want to see swatches of this palette on my super pale skin and see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so again, today we're going to be talking about and demoing the new Sydney Grace and Temptalia, or should I say Temptalia first? Let me see. Sydney Grace and Temptalia eyeshadow palette. I got the On the Horizon palette in the light version, obviously. So this is it, if you haven't seen it already. So pretty. I love that she has got her dog on here. If I'm not mistaken, her dog passed away, so I think that's such a sweet tribute that she has to him. I can't remember if it was a him or a her on there, but yeah, and of course, the dog lover that I am, of course this is the one that I picked up. I had no idea when I picked it up that it was going to be the one with the dog on it, so I was like yay. So let me go ahead and open it up. I haven't swatched it, y'all. I haven't used it, nothing. So here is the palette. It's absolutely beautiful. Holy moly. I love Sydney Grace shadows, so I mean, it's no surprise, but like, oh, this color story, it just speaks to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for y'all. Okay, so first we have, let me move these bracelets out of the way. My little Chantecaille bracelets. So first we have the shade Heart Dog. Look, oh my God. Next, we have Earthbound. Oh, y'all. And then third, we have Desert Spoon. Look at that. I don't even know what to say. Okay, so next, I went ahead and wiped those three off. I'm just gonna do three at a time because I think that's what they deserve because they're so beautiful. So next we have Magellan's Light, and I think that's her dog that passed away, but I could be wrong. Then we have Phoenix Awakens. Oh my God. And then we have October Odyssey. Well, that one didn't swatch too well. Let me pick up a little bit more. Make sure I'm putting it in the right spot for y'all. There we go. October Odyssey. So stunning. Y'all, that Magellan's Light shade is called, like, I mean, who am I kidding? All of them are calling my name. So pretty. I'm just like staring at my arm. Okay, so next is gonna be Midnight Courage. Ooh, Flying High. Oh my God. And Lunar Illumination. Look at, oh, so pretty. I need to just stop saying like how pretty each individual shade is because we're just gonna go ahead and say they're all stunning. Okay, and then the last three in the palette are Infinite Echoes, Sakura Glow, and Calming Presence. Just a beautiful, beautiful blue. Okay, so I really want to play with some of the blues in this palette, the blues and greens, because it's kind of out of my comfort zone, but they're just so, so pretty. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Y'all bear with me. My eyes are already primed with my Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. So I think first I'm gonna go into this shade, this green right here, Desert Spoon. I am going to take a Wayne Goss number 16. You know, I had another, oh, she's pigmented. Tap it off a little bit. I had another little mirror here, but I think I am just gonna use this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that and work it like a little bit above my crease actually, just because of my hooded eyes. So yeah, just working that in. That's a pretty green shade. When I first saw it, I thought that it was gonna be similar to the matte green shade in Mel Thompson's collab with Sydney Grace, but it's really not at all, which that palette, that is one of my all-time favorite palettes. So okay, so without picking up any more on this brush, I'm just gonna kind of take it up here just to blend out. I know I'm putting quite a bit of pressure, but I really want this to be kind of diffused. And like I said, there's none left on this brush. Whoa, eyebrows going crazy. Okay, so I actually am gonna pick up a tiny little bit more and kind of put it right here. So that is the shade Desert Spoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this shade down here called Midnight Courage with a Sonia G mini booster brush, and I'm gonna work that into the outer corner and the outer crease. Now I know from experience that Sydney Grace mattes, Sydney Grace shadows in general are just extremely pigmented, so I really just picked up a tiny little bit. So I'm just gonna start placing that out here in the outer, excuse me, in the outer corner. I'm probably shaking the table now that I'm thinking about it. Whoops. And I just kind of take it and bring it up and out and then in a little. Just blend with these deeper shades. Okay, so as you could probably see, I kind of had a hard time working with that one, and I feel like it still looks a little patchy. What do y'all think? I mean, maybe it's just me and user error, but I do feel like that one is a little patchy and a little hard to work with. It's a little patchy, but it could just be user error. It could just be me. I don't work with dark shades like that very often, so could just be user error. So I am going to work with that one just a little bit more off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so I worked with that Midnight Courage shade a little more. It is kind of patchy though, but again, I'm gonna keep playing with it and I'll let y'all know. And yeah, don't get me wrong, I still love it. It's beautiful. So now I am gonna go into this shade right here called Flying High with a Sonia G Jumbo Blender brush. And I am just gonna take that and put it kind of in the middle of my lid. Blow it off. Let's see, I wanna make sure y'all can see it. Oh, okay, now that, I mean, I'm more of like a metallic gal anyways. Gal, who am I? So, I mean, metallic and shimmery shades tend to speak to me more. But, okay, that is so, so pretty. And I mean, I picked up, y'all saw the tiniest little amount. Just kind of working it in. So now, I'm gonna go into, whoa. Let me be careful to this Earthbound shade right here. If I'd move my finger. Oh my God, y'all, I can't believe I almost just dropped that. Oh, let me take a moment. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use a Rephr number 28 into that Earthbound shade. And I'm just gonna work that into this area of my lid, the inner portion of my lid. Ooh. I mean, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so these blending like they did, I feel like really helped, you know, kind of bring those mattes together. See, now it doesn't look, I mean, at least I don't think so, quite as patchy. So, so pretty. So I'm going to take, this is just a clean, oh my gosh, what number is it? Oh, a clean BK Beauty number 201, and just kind of lightly blend all of that together. And as you can see under my eye, there is a little bit of fallout, but I mean, nothing crazy, nothing that's not manageable. Okay, I lied. It's manageable, but somehow it just got on my forehead. Okay, so I am going to finish the other eye off camera, finish my makeup, and I will be back to give y'all my thoughts. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished look. Wow, this is a lot for me. If you've been following me here on YouTube, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you're not, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. Hashtag shameless plug. It is not the prettiest, cleanest eye look because I'm not a makeup artist, but I just wanted to play around with some of the colors. And I mean, the palette is stunning, y'all. Like I said, that one shade, Midnight Courage, the blue matte shade, it was kind of hard to work with, but overall, I mean, the shimmers, the metallics, they're just absolutely stunning. Like I said, this is not it's a pretty look because the shadows are beautiful, but it is not a pretty clean look. I did go back into the inner corner and add some of the Heart Dog shade just to kind of brighten it up a little bit, but I mean, I love the palette. Maybe I'll do another video doing another look, maybe a more natural look, or maybe I'll do one over on Instagram because I know I'm going to be playing with this palette and using it a lot. But anyways, final thoughts. I love it. I love Sydney Grace. I love Temptalia. I highly recommend picking up one or all three of the palettes if you're able to. They're fantastic. The formulas are fantastic. I highly recommend it. So anyways, y'all, if you like my channel, if you like my content, please like this video and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join our little fam that we have going over here. And I appreciate you watching and all of your support. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.